in the luggage so that आपको ये जो लगेज है
वो 3 बजे मिलेगा।
होटल ओनली अभी मिलेगा नहीं। एक टाइम वो लगेज डिक्की में रख देगा तो हैंड बैग में ही आपका होना चाहिए। हाँ, पानी आपको दे देंगे, हम सब कुछ दे देंगे।
चाय
चाय भी मिलेगी सर।
चाय मेन है। ओके, नमस्ते।
गुड मॉर्निंग नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
गाड़ी चलो, गाड़ी चलो।
चले।
अंडे के टुकड़े अंडे के टुकड़े निकालोगे। हाँ
Blogger. Blogger.
हाँ।
खाना तुम लगाओ क्या करते
बिंग है, बिंग का टे करे थे। अच्छा।
Shinta? Shinta? The same.
हाँ
Sí.
Credible 5 ना divided by 25
ते बोलवत आहेत, गाईड बोलवते।
By your attention. Now, first of all, we will go into the room. You can relax a little bit. I will show you the map of the tunnel. We explain some information. After when we finish everything, we will go into the jungle. Okay. We only show the map for them. Yeah, they can relax a little. I explain for you. After that, you can take a photo. Yeah. We are now in the jungle now, and in the Vietnam War, the same, the VC, the name of the Viet Cong. They also live in the jungle. But when they want to go inside the tunnel, how can they go inside the tunnel? They use a lot of entrance. All of the entrance, they are well camouflaged. And now in front of you, this is one of the entrance. The model to show for you before that how the VC, how the Vietnamese communists, they go inside the tunnel. All of the entrances, they are small because before that for the Vietnamese soldier, they're very skinny. Very skinny, so very easy for the Viet Cong, the local people in this area. They go inside. And on the top, they also use the rust, the lip to cover. So it's very hard for the American to know. Yeah. But, and the other one, in the Vietnam War, sometimes the VC, they also make a lot of fake entrance. The fake and the real, they are quite similar. Because they're also scared. Sometimes the American, they can detect the entrance, they can go inside. So they make a lot of fake. For the fake, underneath, they set up the mines, the bomb. sometimes the Americans they see, but they cannot recognize. This is the real one or this is the fake entrance. When they use the fake one, they open the box is cold and they will be killed. So now we will wait. After that we can take a photo. Family, one more. After that we can go. But please make sure you can go inside. You can go out.
बाय 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 चलो जाएंगे
हाँ यो अंदर बैठो अंदर हाँ
आप भी अंदर लो
When the soldier
हाथ अंदर लेने का
like that, they crawl into the tunnel. This one only the model for you to take a photo. Later, when we nearly done, we can crawl into the real tunnel later. This one only to show for you. Before that, how the VC they can go inside the tunnel. Yeah. Okay, the next one more. After that, we can.
Fake one.
Yeah.
This is the fake
Anyone else? One more. Yeah. One more. After that, we go. Yeah.
सर ये बैग बैग के साथ नहीं होगा और इसकी है जरा देख
Only
लीजिए
one more. The last one. The last one. Yeah. Don't try because this one, yeah. So only you think you're strong enough because you go inside later we will stop the big problem. Yeah. Recommend for you only for the people. Yeah. So if you think you're strong enough, yeah.
फोटो पूरा अंदर जाएगा तो लेगा फोटो मुश्किल है बाहर आना
अभी वो वजन नहीं हाथ पे वजन ले वो अभी
किधर
ये इधर एक हाथ इधर
तेरा हो जाए
तो
चलो बाय बाय बोलो सब लोग को
बाय मार के आते हैं
बैठ जाओ
चलो
Okay. 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 We wait for him.
वर्ती
ऊपर आइए हाथ रखिए ऐसे
अभी कैसे हूँ
हाँ वो इधर हाथ ऐसा हाथ देखो ना
Okay. Hold the arm big. Hold the arm big.
आपको चढ़ने से पहले बोला था मत चलो
That's why I told you don't try. Yeah.
डोंट ट्राई फोटो खिंचाने के लिए
Okay. Here we go, my family.
मत
My
कीजिए। ओ,
attention.
सर
Because
प्लीज नो सर
we are the big one. So when I say make your attention, everyone so please listen to me. Yeah. Okay. And the next one, what will we see?
मत करो
In Vietnam, we have a lot of bamboos. From the bamboo, very popular for the people. They can do a lot of things. For example, tomorrow when we go to the Mekong Delta, from the bamboo, they can do a lot of your local products. And in the Vietnam War, from the bamboo, they can make the bamboo trap in front of you. This is the model of the bamboo trap. In the Vietnam War, from the bamboo trap, they not only set up inside the tunnel, but also outside. And all of the bamboo trap, they were camouflage. But they are very simple, but they are very dangerous because if the people they fall inside, the big problem will happen. And they also call the tiger trap because the woodcutter they use the tiger trap to hunt for the lions, tiger, and the local people. They use this one against the American soldier. We wait for the roof finish. After that we can see. After that you can try. Okay, because they have not finished, so we wait.
नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा
शिक्षा आहे काही झालं शत्रूचं गेला खाली
And for the bamboo trap, my family, anyone else? You can try. Up to you. But if you want to try, you make sure you only buy the insurance. Because if you try, later the insurance will transfer for your money. And especially for gentlemen, if you want to wait, we have to wait. Because we don't wait like that. So remember the saying, lady first. Okay, in front of you, this is the model of the bamboo trap. They not only set up outside, but they also set up inside the tunnel. Because in the Vietnam War, they also scare sometimes the GI. The name of the American soldier, they had the name GI. This means that the government issue. They can break inside the tunnel. But inside the tunnel, it's very dark inside. And it looks like a zigzag. If you break into the tunnel, you don't know the direction, you lost the way. And some bamboo trap or the other trap they're waiting for you. That's why the local people they live inside the tunnel, but they also set up the trap inside in case the American soldier, the GI, they break into the tunnel. Because you know that for the entrance, it is small. It's hard for the American soldier. They go inside. But in the Vietnam War, they also, in this area, they use the spacer, the spacer, yeah, so forces. We call it the surret. The size look like the Vietnamese people because when they involved directly for the Vietnam War 1965, there also the other country, Asian country, for example, Philippines, South Korea, Taiwan, the size look like the Vietnamese people. So they can break inside. That's why they live inside, but they also set up, so the trap inside. Okay, here we go. And my family, may your attention. Củ Chi Tunnel. It's a total 3 level. Again, the first level about 3 meter deep, the second about 6 meter deep, and the last one about 10 meter deep. And the first level is at the other name, the underground village. In the Vietnam War, many people they live inside the tunnel. How they can survive? Without oxygen. How they can have the oxygen? The answer in front of you. This is the ventilation hole to supply the oxygen for the local people. Without the ventilation hole, they cannot survive inside the tunnel. And for the ventilation hole, they are well camouflaged. They look like the termite mouse. The place, the termite, the insect they live. And in the Vietnam War, sometimes the Americans they see, but they don't know. They cannot recognize. This is the ventilation hole. And how they can make the ventilation hole? They use the bamboo. They choose in the rainy season because in the rainy season the soil will be softer, so they put the bamboo inside. So in the rainy season, this is a good environment for the termite. They eat it. So in the end, it becomes look like the real one. Sometimes the Americans they see, but they don't know. This is the ventilation hole. But however, later the Americans they use a lot of dog. So when the dog come close, they sniff. They can detect the smell of the local people. And like in Vietnam, we also like the spicy food. So the chili and the pepper very popular in Vietnam. So they mix the chili powder and the pepper mixed together. They put around the ventilation hole. So when the dog come close, they cannot detect the smell of the local people. Okay.